Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are reviewing the large Polo ID bag in the black leather. Now, I'm going to start by saying I want to love this bag more than I do. It sits in my closet very often, and there's a couple of reasons for that I will go through. So this bag is considered a hobo bag, but the cool thing about this bag is because of the design on the bottom, it kind of sits upright, like if you were to put it down. Now, it's not showing that right now because I don't have a ton of stuff in it, but look, like it's sitting on the ground. Like most hobo bags, you can't put it on the ground and it stay there. So I think that's really cool. I don't know if they did that on purpose. I'm assuming they did because I've never seen a hobo bag with like this kind of like double design or double seam. I love this cute little detail. Very quiet luxury. I talk about that a lot on my channel because that's kind of the trends right now. What I don't like is because it's patent leather, there's some scratching that you can see, but I almost feel like over time, as the leather wears in, the scratching just becomes a part of the bag. Another thing about the bag, the strap is adjustable. Now, I don't really understand why, because I'm going to try it on for you guys and show you. Even on the longest setting, it is still a little bit too short for me to really use it as a crossbody bag. And I don't like long shoulder bags. I like them like close to my shoulder. So I usually keep it on a pretty short setting to use it as a shoulder bag. Now, the issue I have with using it as a shoulder bag, and the reason why I don't use it so much, is this strap at the top, beautiful thick leather. It's a little bit too thick to stay on the shoulder well, so it's constantly falling off. I actually went on Amazon and got these little like grips. It's black, so it's kind of hard to see, just to help it kind of like stay on the shoulder more, because the leather is very smooth and it was just constantly falling over my shoulder. I think wearing it, it looks gorgeous. I'll insert some mod shots, but just so you guys can see now. I mean, if you are a mom or someone that carries a lot of stuff with you, this bag is beautiful. I think a lot of hobo bags, they lean very much towards like summer and spring, but I think this is a hobo bag that you can wear in the winter because of that black pattern. But it's also something that you can get away with wearing black in the summertime because it is a hobo bag. And I do like that although hobo bags are usually casual, this gives you such like a chic look, especially with the shiny patent leather and the little gold detail. The price point for this, so to be honest, I think the price is high for this bag. It's not a luxury designer. You're not getting a Louis Vuitton or Gucci or anything that's going to hold its value. But Ralph Lauren does really good deals, and I got this bag 40% off on Black Friday. At that price point, would I buy it? Yes. Would I buy it for the normal price point that it usually is? No. The different sizes have different price points. I do like the smaller one, and the smaller one's a lot more affordable, and I actually might buy that one because I love the concept of the bag. I love the look of it. They have a bunch of different colors, especially in the smaller size, and it's a lot more affordable. I needed a big one. I got 2 kids, and yeah, like I said, I would not be paying the price, the original price for this bag. The interior is just a basic suede. I don't love suede interiors. I will damage it. I have a bunch of stuff in here that I don't need to show you guys, but because of that like double seam, there is some separation. So you have the 2 sides with a big seam in the center, and then you have a zip pocket right here. And then there is actually a magnet closure, and then you just flip this over and it kind of gives you a little bit more dimension. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed that quick review. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. I do answer, and I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you in the next one.